Good morning, students. I am Navendra Mahaldar, your science teacher. So, in life processes, we have learned in previous class the nutrition and respiration. Okay. Hope you have incorporated that. In today's session, we will discuss about transportation. So, what do you know about transportation? Transportation, just like you can example it, you ordered a parcel from Flipkart or Amazon, like e-commerce website, and the e-commerce website will transport your parcel to uh, car or truck, or delivery agent will give the transport the goods to your house. Like that, when we take food or oxygen or carbon dioxide, that also transported in our body to some mechanism or processes. Okay. So, like that is important very. Okay. When truck move, it moves through this engine in our body. When this blood or like that, it transported through our heart. So heart is a very important thing. So we will learn how heart mechanism is works. Okay. So as we know, we will. This is our heart. Heart shape is like our fist, is slightly on left, like this side. Okay, our heart is situated in this position. It's like your fist. Okay, so here is our heart. Here is left atrium, left atrium, atrium. Okay, and it's left ventricle, ventricle. Okay. Is left atrium, left ventricle. Similarly, this is right atrium, right ventricle. Okay, and this is pulmonary, pulmonary artery. Okay, and this is aorta, aorta, and these two is pulmonary vein. Okay, and these two also pulmonary vein, pulmonary vein. Okay, this is superior vena cava, superior vena cava, and similarly this is inferior vena cava. Okay, and this is your apex, heart apex. This is base, and middle portion is body. Okay, so here is our left atrium, left ventricle, right atrium, right ventricle. So at first we have to see that. Okay, this is septum, septum. Mm, so at first, what happened? Blood, deoxygenated blood from from inferior vena cava and superior vena cava and come to right atrium. So from this side and this side, blood comes and blood goes to like this in right ventricle. When right atrium get pushed, then in blood there is a valve which is called tricuspid valve. Tricuspid valve. Okay, and here is our bicuspid valve. Bicuspid valve. At first, deoxygenated blood comes to right atrium from superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, and it gets pushed, and each blood comes to right ventricle. This tricuspid valve opens, and blood comes to here. Okay. After that, when right ventricle gets pushed, this blood goes to pulmonary aorta, and here is a semilunar valve. Okay, blood goes to this like this, and it goes to lungs for oxygenated. Okay. In another thing, where there is a pulmonary vein, there is also pulmonary vein. Oxygenated blood comes here on this side and this side, and blood goes to left ventricle. Okay. Mm, left ventricle pushes. Here is also bicuspid valve. Blood only comes to one side, like this side, not that side. Okay. Blood comes to left ventricle, and left ventricle when push, the blood goes through aorta. Here is also semilunar valve, and blood goes to this, and through aorta, the oxygenated blood. This oxygenated blood move to our body. When we take food nutrition uh, absorbed in our blood, and that blood it will distributed through our body. Similarly, when oxygen is oxygenated blood also distributed our body through aorta, and this is the mechanism. Okay, so here is some note point, like here is our SA node. SA node. What is SA node? SA node, nothing but an electrical pulse like that. It gave a pulse, and the right atrium get contracted. Okay. Similarly, here is a AV node. Okay. So heart has three layers in outside. Minute membranous layer. One is outer layer is pericardium. Myocardium, and endocardium. Okay. So this is the heart mechanism, how blood go through our heart and transported to our body, and it oxygenated from our heart. So your NCLT also a beautiful diagram over this. You can understand that. Okay. Here is the heart. Okay. This is a vena cava. There is a superior vena cava. The deoxygenated blood is coming from our body. Okay. And also this your pulmonary artery. The deoxygenated blood comes from there, and this goes through like that, and it goes to lungs capillary. In lungs capillary, it gets oxygenated, and pulmonary vein from lungs, it comes to right atrium. Left atrium. Okay. And then it is oxygenated blood. Okay. Oxygenated blood, it goes to aorta to our body, and then other part of body is get deoxygenated, and this circular motion is occurring. So this is the process how blood is transported through blood, nutrition and other materials transported through our body. So hope you have understand. If I draw a schematic diagram of this, so this is your lung, from lungs, here is the right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle, left ventricle. Okay, this is right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, left ventricle. Okay. So how and this is your body. This is a schematic diagram. Through body, deoxygenated blood comes to right atrium, from which superior vena cava or inferior vena cava, superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. Right atrium blood comes deoxygenated. After that, blood comes to right ventricle. Okay. To right ventricle, the blood goes to lungs. For what? For get oxygenated. Okay. To which pulmonary artery. Okay. From lungs, when blood is oxygenated, it comes to left atrium. This oxygenated blood, okay, pulmonary vein. To left atrium, it comes to left ventricle, bicuspid valve is here. Through left ventricle, is through aorta, it goes to body. Oxygenated blood. And CO2. Okay. This is a schematic diagram. So in nutrition transfusion, blood is very important. With blood, some places when if we got injured, something like this vein got injured, then this blood will be shipping through this. So we have platelets to get recovery from this injury. Platelets get blocked here and blood not shipping out from here. Okay. After that, we have blood pressure monitoring. For blood pressure, what is blood pressure? Blood pressure, nothing that gives this outer wall give a pressure and we measure it. Okay, so we measure the blood pressure through a machine called sphygmomanometer. SPHYGOM manometer. Through sphygmomanometer, we measure the blood. This is our normal blood pressure, 120 by 80. It is a systolic pressure, and it is a diastolic. So in next class, we discuss in details in that. Okay, hope you have understand. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you for today's lesson.